today LeetCode daily street, which is remove covered interval. So this is the medium level question in the LeetCode, and we can solve this question in the by brute force method. But I will tell you the optimized solution in a very easiest way. So we have given an array intervals, and the interval I consists of Li or the right I. It means the left side limit and the right side limit represent the interval. Remove all the interval that are covered by the another interval in the list. It means that as we can see, this is the interval from starting from 1 to 4, and this interval is starting from 3 to 6, and this one is starting from 2 to 8. If we uh, can analyze this, 3 to 6 is covering in this interval, which is 2 to 8, so we can directly remove this interval. So the number of interval is 2, this one and this one. So we have to remove all those interval which are covered by the another interval. Okay, so let's start this solution first. So we will solve this question with this example. This is the one of the another example which we will use for solving this question. Okay, so we have given a vector which consists of three intervals. First one is 1 to 2, second one is 2 to 3, and the third one is 1 to 4. So you can see this interval, this interval is covering inside this interval. Okay, so we can directly remove this. Okay, so we will not consider this one into the answer, and this one is also uh, covering in this one, so we can also remove this one. So this is not be included in the answer. So the answer is 1. Only the one interval is there which covers all the interval, another interval. So how we can solve this problem? So you can think that if we can sort this given array in the ascending order of its first value, so what it will become? It will become, if we sort this one into the ascending order of the on the basis of the first element, so it will become 1 comma 2, 1 comma 4, and 2 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, and if you will put your pointer I here, here is our I pointer, so the value of left is 1 and the value of right is 2. So now we will move our another pointer from J from here. So we will check the value of this should be greater than or equal to this one. So it is true. And the value of this is less than or equal to this. It is false. So you can see that this will make a false condition. But as we can see, this one and this ones are overlapping. But if we sort this on the basis of the first element in the ascending order, it will become false. So what to do now? So the solution for this problem is this: if we solve this solve this again on the basis of the second element in the descending order. Okay, listen carefully. If we sort this interval on the basis of the second value in the descending order, so what it will become now? It will become 1 comma 4, 1 comma 2, and the 2 comma 3. It will remain same. Okay, but only these two positions will interchange to each other. So in that case, the left value will be 1 and the right value will be 4. So if we check this one again, so the one is, we will compare one with this left value. So 1 is greater than equal to the 1, it is true, and 2 is less than equal to the 4, yes, it is true. So this one is overlapping. So we will not consider this one. Okay. So for this we will actually continue, or whatever the statement we will write, we will see. Okay. And the second value is 2 comma 3. So for this, 2 is greater than equal to the 1. Yes, it is true. And the 3 is less than equal to the 4. It is true. So it is also true. So we will also not consider this. So the our answer will be 1. Okay. I hope you got my point. So let's understand the code of this. Okay, so here is the solution for this problem. As you can see, first we have find the nth of the size of the given interval, and here we have written the sorting function. Okay, as we have discussed, first we will sort this interval on the basis of the in ascending order on the basis of their first element or the zeroth index, and if their zeroth index is same, then we will directly sort on the basis of their in the descending order on the basis of their second element. It means the first index. Okay, so it will sort this interval as per our requirement, and in the left value we will directly store interval 0 comma 0, and the right value interval 0 comma 1, and we will start our jth pointer from the first position or the 1th index. So while j is less than n, and we will initially in start initialize answer with the one, because there will be always one possible answer in least case or in the minimum case. And if interval j comma 0 is greater than equal to the left, and the interval j comma 1 is less than equal to the right, then we will directly continue and we will do j plus plus. Otherwise, left value will be updated as the current value and the right value will be updated as a current value, and the answer will be plus plus, because we are considering that because it is not satisfying the condition. And again we will do the j plus plus, and finally we will return our answer. So this is the easiest solution, and if you will run this code, so it is accepting. Let's submit this to check whether it is passing all the test cases or not. So as you can see, it is able to pass all the test cases. So I hope you have got my point, and this is the easiest solution which I can make for you. And this is a video of n time complexity solution, which will which can pass also the updated version of this question. So I hope you like my solution. Please do like and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching.